Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a guest that's going to do a taste test. Today he's going to be tasting Cheetos Flaming Hot Dill Pickle Crunchy Chips.
Got a good mix between a spice and a pickle flavor. It's not overpowering either way. Let's say this is a good chip. Still tastes like a hot Cheeto.
What would you rate it out of 10?
I would say I like pickle. I like the spice. I would say 7.5 out of 10.
Okay, guys. He gives it a 7.5 out of 10. If you like us taste testing and want us to do more, don't forget to like and subscribe.